Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the creamy pierogi bake. Everybody loves pierogies, but sometimes we just get sick of always sauteing them up with some butter and garlic. And today I'm going to show you how to make a cream sauce to go with them that we're going to bake in the oven. And they're absolutely amazing. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need one 16-ounce box of frozen pierogies, slightly defrosted, half a cup of chicken stock, 4 strips of bacon chopped up, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened at room temp, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and of course, salt and pepper. First thing we're going to do is get the oven preheated to 350 degrees. First step is we're going to saute up the bacon, we're going to render out the fat and throw in the garlic. So let's head over to the stove and get this started. We want to get our pan on medium-high heat and we're going to go in with the bacon. We're going to want to cook this off for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now as the bacon's cooking, we're going to want to stir it around, spread it out evenly so that way each piece gets cooked perfectly. Our bacon is perfectly crispy. Now we're going to transfer this to a plate to the side. We're going to want to leave in as much of the bacon grease as we can to start making our sauce. So let's get all this bacon out. Careful because it will burn you. And we're going to go in with our 2 tablespoons of garlic. We're going to want to saute this up for about a minute. Our garlic is perfectly cooked up. You can really smell it and it smells wonderful. Now we're going to go in with our cream cheese. We're going to turn the heat down to a medium low. We're going to want to give this a whisk into the bacon grease. You're going to want it to break down. It's going to melt very easily. And once that starts melting, we're going to go in with our chicken stock. We're going to want to whisk this together and cook it till it's well combined. After a minute, this cream cheese really melts down. The sauce is starting to come together. Let's get in here and give this a taste. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. Taste to your liking. Let's give it a taste again. It's perfect. Now let's set this aside and get the pierogi set up. In our baking dish, we're just going to arrange our pierogies so they lay nice and flat. Just like so. Now we're going to top with the sauce that we just made. We want to get all of it coated. And scrape down the pan. Don't want to waste any of this delicious sauce. Spread it out evenly like so. Now we're going to put this in the 350 degree oven for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now we're going to top this with our cheddar cheese. Sprinkle it evenly across, just like so. Top with our bacon. Then we're going to go back into the oven about another 5 to 6 minutes until the cheese is melted. And that's what we're looking for right there. We're going to let this cool down for about 5 minutes before we take a bite of it because it's like molten lava, that sauce. But it's absolutely amazing. So we'll stop back in about 5 minutes and we'll get a bite of this. Now this is one of my favorite side dishes. I can't wait 5 minutes to dig into it. I hope I don't burn my mouth. That's really good. You get this wonderful bacon garlic cream sauce, the cheddar cheese, The silkiness from the mashed potatoes inside the pierogies. It's really good. And thanks for stopping in, everyone. Go ahead and click right here if you want to subscribe. Go ahead and thumbs up this video if you like what you see. If you got any animals, head over and check out Terri's channel. It's called Doggone Delicious. She's a friend of mine. She does homemade snacks and stuff like that for her animals. I'll drop a link in the description. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and we'll see you next time.